Hi, I'm Alice and I'm a crochet designer. For this video, I will show you how to make the textured basket weave stitch using front post and back post stitches. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon for notification of future videos. Top tips. When alternating between different post stitches, it can be confusing as to which way to insert your hook. To help you remember, for front post stitches, the post of the stitch is in front of your hook. For back post stitches, the post is at the back of the hook. With your blanket right side facing, work a row of trebles. Turn your work and chain 3. This counts as your first treble. Treble in each of the next 2 stitches. Now work a back post treble around each of the next 3 stitches as follows. Yarn round hook. Insert your hook from the back, around the post and back to the back. Then complete the treble. Next, work a front post treble around each of the next 3 stitches. Yarn round hook, insert your hook from the front, around the post and through to the front, then complete the treble. Repeat this sequence across the row, ending with 3 normal trebles in the last 3 stitches. For the next row, chain 3, work a treble in each of the next 2 stitches. You will now work in the opposite order you did on the previous row. Work a front post stitch around each of the next 3 stitches. Then a back post treble around each of the next 3 stitches. Repeat this, alternating between 3 front post, then 3 back post trebles along the row, ending with a normal treble in each of the last 3 stitches. Continue following the pattern, making sure to work the correct post stitches where indicated. By alternating which posts we bring forward and which ones we push back, we create the effect known as basket weave. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.